Hello, welcome to Triple Empower Agency, where we spill the tea on digital marketing. I'm Natasha. I'm your coach for today. Today we will be branding our digital marketing flyer. If you would like to download your template to follow along, click the link below. Once you download your template, it will download as a PDF form. So it will look just like this, like a piece of paper with the A on it. I open mine up in Google, so I will click and drag mine over. Then we'll open up. Here is at the top, you will see a markup of the template. This will have the link to access to edit it. This has the link to our YouTube and a link to our free support group. So we're going to edit the template. And once you click here, it will take you to Canvas, as you can see here. So here it shows you a markup again. Then you will click on Use Template. This template will also open up in Canvas. It will open up for you able to edit. You know you're able to edit it because everywhere you click that you can edit something or add something, remove something, it will highlight with a purple box around it. So first we're going to delete add photo. I'm going to leave this like this. But I want to change the background to my branding color. And here I would like to make this a little bit closer, a little too wide for me. And I do just play with to how you want it to be. I always make sure mine go over a little bit to make sure it covers everything. Here you will add your website. So I'll just highlight what I will want to remove and enter my website. And here you will add your photos. So you will go to upload. And all you do is click, grab, drop, or you can just click. It'll come open like this. You grab, drop. If you feel like it's not centered how you want, you can move them around, play around with them. So now, as you can see, you have designed your your digital marketing flyer within less than 3 minutes. So now you will go up to share, hit download. You would like for it to download as a PNG, then hit download. Now, one thing I do like about Canvas also, once you're done, you also can go and post it to any of your social media accounts, or you can schedule. If you would like for us to upload a video showing how to schedule your digital marketing flyers, just drop in a comment schedule and we'll get that video upload for you. So as you see, you have created your digital marketing flyer and also marketed your flyer on your social media within less than 3 minutes. If you like this video and you would like more video, please drop in a comment more video and we'll get more videos uploaded for you guys. Again, thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe.